Hi everyone, it's me JT, and today we are going to be unboxing the Zoom H6 handheld recorder. I decided to purchase this as a lightweight alternative to my full miking rig. Normally I use two Rode NT5s plugged into an interface plugged into a computer, but this is just a handheld device that records high quality audio and is extremely portable. Let's open this bad boy. Inside the box, we've got a quick start guide in Spanish. Some warranty information. We've got 4 AA batteries here. I'll probably opt those out for some rechargeable batteries. Now this is the XY microphone attachment that plugs into the top of the device. Zoom also sells a couple other microphone attachments. I know there's a shotgun microphone attachment. You just have to buy them separately. So this attachment is basically 2 condenser capsules with a volume control knob. We've got a little dust cover there on the bottom to protect the delicate machinery. Alright, so let's get to the body of the recording device itself. Nice. So we've got a lot of buttons and knobs here. We have 4 total XLR inputs, so potentially you could record all of those and the capsule on the top at the same time. Alright, there's the on button. Oh, you could connect a tripod right there. That's where you connect it to a computer. And on the top here we've got another dust cover. That's where the attachment's going to go. So let's go ahead and put it together. And yes, once these run out of juice, I'm going to replace them with rechargeable AA's. Make sure that little ribbon is underneath the battery so that you can easily pull them out. And replacing the back panel. And I'm actually going to save these dust covers. I'm going to replace them when I take the device apart or when I'm not using them. All right, let's put it together. Oh yes, so satisfying. All right, let's turn it on. You power on the device by just holding that button down there on the side. Okay, now we got to set the date and time. What's the date today? Alright, so next step, we've got to put in a little SD card so that we can store recordings on the device itself. I opted for a 4 GB one. Alright, okay, we gotta arm the attachment. So we just click that button there, and we're ready to record.
Check. Test. Test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test.
Nice. Alright, power off will do the same thing. Now that we've unboxed this device, let's talk a little bit more about its uses. I love using this for recording horn because not only can you get that room noise from the forward-facing attachment there, but you can plug in any XLR mic. You can plug in 4 total. Meaning you could get some other mics with room noise, or you can get another close spot mic to get that really crispy articulation. You could even plug in some lav mics to the side to get some really zesty dialogue. So on the bottom of the device we have the screen, of course. We've got a line out port and a remote port. As we move up the device, we see all the standard recording controls, arming buttons for each input, and volume control knobs for those inputs. On the left-hand side of the device, we have 2 XLR imports, the SD card holder, volume control, and headphone port, as well as the power button. On the right-hand side of the device, you can see that mini USB port where you can plug it into a computer. We've got the menu button and the side scroller and 2 other XLR ports. On the attachment, there's another place to plug in headphones to check the audio levels there. And that concludes this unboxing of the Zoom H6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Peace out.